is the cheat code to the universe. Hi, I'm Ken Trotta and welcome to the Physics Solution. Before we can learn that cheat code, we need to learn where physics tells us that something is. So today we're going to be learning about position, distance, and displacement. In physics, you are the observer and you set the reference frame. Now, a reference frame has three different things: an object of interest, a coordinate system, which is a ruler or a number line, and you set the 0 point, what's positive and negative. And then you decide at what points in time you are making your measurements. Position, represented by the letter X, is where an object is on a number line. Every time an object moves, it gets a new position, and the subscript of the X changes. So here it's moving from 0 to 40 centimeters. So our X sub 1 is 40 centimeters. It moved a distance of 40 centimeters because the distance is the absolute value of the difference between the two positions. Distance is always positive because it's how far an object moves, even if it moves backwards like it is now. The new position of our object of interest is 25 centimeters. Even though it moved backwards, the distance is still 15 centimeters because it's the absolute value of x2 minus x1. To find the total distance, you just add the values of all the distances the object traveled. So here, our d1 is 40 and our d2 is 25, so the object traveled 65 centimeters. Displacement can be positive or negative, and it's the difference between the final and the initial position. Here, the object traveled 25 centimeters between the initial and the final position. So let's review some of the things we learned about position, distance, and displacement. First, a reference frame has three different parts: an object of interest, what's being observed, a coordinate system, a ruler or a number line, and a timer. That's when measurements are being made. Let's go over our definitions. Position is where an object is in a number line. Distance is how far an object moved from one point to the next. And displacement is the difference between the ending position and the starting position. It's represented by delta x. The triangle is the Greek letter delta, meaning change. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Here's a quick review of the equations and symbols that you'll be using for this practice problem. In this practice problem, you have to find three positions, two distance traveled, the total distance, and the displacement. Be careful. Remember, displacement can be either positive or negative. You can check your answers online.